Did you know only 1 in 10 tech grads land a job right after college? Want to be the one who stands out? Here's how VMAS can help. Whether you just graduated or you're still searching for that breakthrough job, VMAS gives you the edge you need. We offer hands-on training in today's most in-demand technologies, real industry projects, and e-certifications that actually matter to employers. Plus, you'll get practical experience and internships designed to bridge the gap between what you learn in class and what companies really want. The best part? Many certifications are completely free, so you can boost your skills without breaking the bank. Join thousands of other ambitious grads already upgrading their careers with VMAS. Don't just wait for opportunity, create it. Your tech journey starts now. Ready to level up? Check out www.vmas.com.pk on all your favorite social platforms and take the first step.